Hey guys, my name's Will, and this is a carrier furnace at my friend's house. It's a little tiny. It's the blower chamber. Flames are in there. Draft inducer. Just the draft inducer pipe right up there. We have a little 3M furnace filter. Goes up. Right here we have the humidifier. Water goes in onto the pad, wet pad. The blower is pulling air in over that wet pad. That sends it through there, heated, out to the house. It's matched up with a 3.5-ton Bryant furnace. Has a Bryant coil. Condensate pump. It's up to a wash tub. Power humidifier. Yeah. Switch. Carrier. For your safety, do not store or use gasoline or other that. All carrier furnaces have that. Yep. Flames, blower, draft inducers right there. Here. Lift. Yeah. Pretty nice furnace. Let's go around the back. Turn. It's over there. Main air. And I'll show you the thermostat. White Rogers thermostat. So yeah, out.